Hello and welcome back to the Python series. This is video 5, and in this video I will be teaching you how to use different types of loops. So, in effect, there are two loops: the for loop and the while loop. First, I'll cover the for loop. In the for loop, the standard syntax is for, put a variable, I like x, in, then the keyword range. For the range, you need two arguments usually. The start, go with 1 first, and the one just before the stop. So if you wanted to go all the things 1 through 4, you would type 5. So this will cycle through all the values of x, 1 to 4, which is 1 less than 5. So it printed 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then there's the while loop. Actually, never mind. The for loop has another function. There's also something called the step function. The step shows how many things, how many things you should add, numbers you should add to the original number to get to the next one. So if you wanted to count by 2's, you would say the step is 2. So you can see that I counted 0, added 2 to get 4, added 2 to get 6, added 2 to get 8. You can also count backwards with it. So if you have a negative step, it'll count backwards by that much. So you can see they counted 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But it's 1 more than 0 because the step is negative. You can also do the while loop. The while loop is good for forever loops. Basically, it repeats forever. So first I'm going to set the variable x to 0 just to create it. And then I'm going to do forever. So every time it's going to cycle x equals 1 more than it. So it's going to go from 0 to 1. Then it's going to print that value. So see, the numbers are rising very rapidly. It's almost already in the thousands. To exit out of a while loop, you hit Control C or Control D. So you see, while loops go forever. I mean, look how many numbers I printed. That's practically forever. While loops can also go to a certain value. So, as long as this is true, the thing will repeat. So for this, while x, so while x is less than 10, which is right now, it'll add 1 to x and then print it. So see, it went up to 10. And that is all for loops. See you next episode.